Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on Unit 5 Vector Calculus Revision Part 1. First example, if f bar is equals to grad of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, then find curl of f bar. And therefore to determine this curl of f bar, first of all we try to find out this f bar as grad of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, and therefore as per definition of this del operator is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, which way to operate on this f bar, function x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, and then operating this operator on this function we get dou by dou x of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz into I, then plus differentiating with respect to y, that function x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz into j, and plus differentiation with respect to z of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz into k, and then performing this partial differentiation we get derivative of this x cube is 3x square, derivative of this constant term 0, and differentiation of this term is minus 3yz into I. Then differentiating this with respect to y, we get that differentiation as 3y square minus 3xz into j, and then differentiating this term with respect to z, keeping x and y constant, we get 3z square minus 3xy into k, and we call this as equation 1. Half part is completed here. I have obtained the value of f bar, and using this f bar we try to find out curl of f bar. Curl of f bar is given by or obtained by del cross f bar, and that is nothing but a determinant of first row I, j, k, second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and dou by dou z, and the third row component of this f bar, first component is 3 times x square minus yz, second component is 3 times y square minus xz, and the third component is 3 times z square minus xy, and then evaluating the second order determinant as usual, and therefore it is I into differentiating this with respect to y, its derivative is minus 3x minus differentiating this term with respect to z, its derivative is minus 3x, then minus j times differentiating this term with respect to x, its derivative is minus 3y, and minus differentiating this with respect to z, differentiation is minus 3y and plus k into neglecting this row and this column. Differentiating this with respect to x, is derivative is minus 3z minus differentiation of this term with respect to y, is derivative is minus 3z, and therefore it is equals to, simplifying it, minus 3x plus 3x we get 0 into I, minus 3y plus 3y we get 0 j, and 3z minus 3z plus 3z we get 0k, and therefore the value of that curl of f bar is 0 as the required answer or the value of that curl of f bar. Example numbers second, if r bar is position vector with the condition with the r is equal to absolute value of r bar, this is the magnitude of that vector r bar, then show that del cross r raised to n into r bar is equals to 0, and to obtain this result we take the help of this known result. We know that del cross f into g bar, f is a scalar function and g bar is a vector function, as del f cross g bar plus f del cross g bar, and therefore applying this, it is del cross of r raised to n into r bar is equals to, the first function is a scalar function and second function is a vector function, therefore we can apply this result. Del f means del of r raised to n cross g bar cross r bar plus f r raised to n del cross g bar means here r bar. First step. Then the standard result for this term del of r raised to n as n r raised to n minus 2 into r bar, a standard results, and cross r bar plus r raised to n, standard value of del cross r bar is 0, and then it is equals to r bar cross r bar, value of this cross product of two same vector is 0, therefore it is n r raised to n minus 2 into 0, 0 multiplied by r raised to n we get 0, 0 into this we get 0, and 0 plus 0 value is 0, cross r raised to n into r bar is equals to 0, hence proved. Important 1, 2, 3 steps, but in these 3 steps we are using 3 standard results. The first one is this one, del cross f g bar as del f cross g bar plus f del cross g bar, then del of r raised to n, another standard result, n r raised to n minus 2 into r bar, and del cross r bar is 0, third result, and cross product of two same vector is 0, therefore 0 into this term we get 0 plus 0, value is 0. Third, last example, find the value of lambda such that f bar is equal to 2x square y square plus z square into I plus 3xy cube minus x square z into j plus lambda xy square into z plus xy into k is solenoidal, and as it is solenoidal, as f bar is solenoidal, we have divergence of that function is 0, del dot f bar is equals to 0, and then using this we try to find out the value of lambda. Del operator is I dou by dou x, j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z vector quantity, dot product with another vector quantity, and that vector quantity is 2x square y square plus z square into I plus 3xy cube minus x square z into J, and plus lambda x y square z plus xy into K. A dot product of two vector a1i plus a2j plus a3k, dot product with b1i b2j plus b3k is a1b1, and therefore it is dou by dou x of first component 2x square y square plus z square, dou by dou y of second component, it is 3xy cube minus x square z, and plus dou by dou z of third component, third component is lambda x y square z plus xy, and the value of this is 0, and therefore differentiating it with respect to x, its derivative is 4x y square. Differentiation of this one is 0, plus differentiation of this second term with respect to y, 9x y square, derivative of the second term is 0 as it is constant term with respect to y, and differentiation of this term with respect to z is lambda xy square, and that is equals to 0, and therefore rewriting it, we get value of lambda xy square is equal to 4 plus 9, we get 13, transferring to other side, that term become minus 13 xy square, and therefore the value of lambda is xy square cancel with xy square, we have the value of lambda as minus 13. Therefore, in this video, I have discussed 3 examples of vector calculus revision part 1. In my next video, I will discuss some more examples on this vector calculus. Therefore, if you like my video, please share it, as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification for my new videos, you have to press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.